Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your Netflix account with friends. So before you do, it is important to know that Netflix is designed to be shared mainly with people who live in the same household. So this helps you avoid any unexpected access issues. And if the person that you're sharing with lives in the same home, you can simply give them your Netflix sign in and email and then password, then let them use one of the available profiles on the account. Since everyone is using the same household internet, Netflix usually recognizes the account as being used correctly. And if your friend lives somewhere else, Netflix may detect that the account is being used from a different location or internet connection, and access could be limited. In that case, you can use Netflix Extra Member feature, which lets you add someone outside your household for an additional monthly cost if your plan supports it. And that is all there is to it. Just choose the option that works best for your situation and enjoy watching your favorite shows together. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.